Well, another day and another location. Today we are in Ravenna, Italy, and we're going to be here for 2 days. Today we're just taking the shuttle into town and we're going to walk around. We have one big priority: to find some really good Italian food, and so hopefully we can accomplish that. And the rest is just going to be some sightseeing. Besides looking for good Italian food, we also came to see the mosaics and the cathedrals. This is at the Mausoleo de Galla, Placidia. How's that? And these ceilings and walls are all done in mosaic. It's the most incredible thing I've seen. It's just absolutely beautiful. We walked across the lawn to the Basilica de Sant Vitale. This place was breathtaking, as you will see, and everything is mosaic. The ceilings, the walls, very high cathedral. It was just incredible. Every panel of mosaics was just breathtaking. We also spent some time just walking around the city, taking in the sights of this beautiful place. And it's a wonderful Italian culture. We soon had to get back to seeing the mosaics, and the next place we visited was Baptitery, Neonian, which was celebrating the baptism of Christ. We also visited the Basilica de Sant Apollinare, Nuovo, and this is the original lower section of the basilica that is now flooded. I was thrilled to find Dante's tomb. He's the author of the Divine Comedy. And you can't visit Italy without having some great Italian gelato. So we took a little bit of time out to order our favorite, and even made a couple of new favorites. Stopped in for some gelato. It's good. I had the Magnum, which is vanilla with milk chocolate and some nuts thrown in. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Around the World in 274 Days. Thanks for watching.